गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. नमस्कार. बायोस्टर चॅनलमध्ये आपणा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आपण मागच्या वेळेला फोटोसिंथेसिस हा चॅप्टर सुरू केलेला आहे. या फोटोसिंथेसिसमध्ये आपण फोटोफॉस्फोरायलेशन याच्या संदर्भात आपण माहिती घेतली आहे. आता त्याच्यामधला पुढचा जो पार्ट आहे दॅट इज ए कॅल्विन सायकल. Now we shall proceed toward the dark reaction. लाईट रिॲक्शन मध्ये आपण फोटोफॉस्फोरायलेशन पाहिलं, सायक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरायलेशन आणि नॉन सायक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरायलेशन. सायक्लिक आणि नॉन सायक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरायलेशन मध्ये रिड्युसिंग पॉवर तयार होते, एनर्जी तयार होते, किंवा त्या ठिकाणी एटीपी अँड एनएडीपी एच these are produced in the light reaction of photosynthesis. These are used in the dark reaction of photosynthesis for the reduction of CO2 into carbohydrates. तर ही जी रिड्युसिंग पॉवर तयार होते in the light reaction that is used in the dark reaction for the reduction of CO2 into the carbohydrates. Carbon fixation occurs in the stroma region of the chloroplast by a series of enzyme catalyzed reactions. We have seen that light reaction occurs in the grana region of the chloroplast, while this dark reaction occurs in the stroma region of a chloroplast by series of enzyme catalyzed reactions. There are so many reactions. Molecules of ATP and NADPH, which are produced in the light reaction of photosynthesis, they come in the stroma region. Here ATP and NADPH production हे थायलॉकाइड्स मध्ये होतं, and this ATP and NADPH these are transferred to the stroma region of the chloroplast. Here carbohydrates are synthesized. Dark reaction does not require a light, or it is independent of light. That's why this is called as a dark reaction. Carbon fixation occurs in the stroma region of the chloroplast. There is a series of enzymatic reaction, enzyme catalyzed reactions. Molecules of ATP and NADPH, which are produced in the thylakoids of the chloroplast, they are transferred to the, or they come in the stroma region of the chloroplast, where carbohydrates are synthesized. Dark reaction does not require a light, or it is independent of light. That's why this is called as a dark reaction. Dark reaction is also known as path of carbon in photosynthesis. Here there are different pathways of carbon in photosynthesis. First, with which we are going to proceed, that is the Calvin cycle or C3 pathway. There is HSK path or C4 pathway. There is a crystallizing acid metabolism pathway, that is CAM pathway. Firstly, we shall see the Calvin cycle or C3 pathway. The path of carbon fixation in dark reaction through intermediate compounds was discovered by Calvin, Benson and their co-workers, and because of this reason Calvin was awarded a Nobel Prize in the year 1961. This C3 path, or in other words we can say that intermediate products of this C3 pathway, these were discovered by Calvin, Benson and their co-workers, and because of this reason Calvin was awarded a Nobel Prize in the year 1961. The path of carbon was studied with the help of a radioactive tracer technique. Means radioactive element was used, C14, CO2 was used. C14, it is the heavy isotope, radioactive isotope of carbon. The path of carbon was studied with the help of radioactive tracer technique. Instead of using normal CO2, they used C14CO2, and with the help of this they studied the intermediate products of the C3 pathway. These were studied by using an alga, chlorella. Chlorella is an alga. By using chlorella and C14CO2, the different intermediate products of this pathway, Calvin cycle, these were discovered. This cyclic path is called as Calvin cycle because of their discovery was done by Malvin Calvin. Calvin cycle occurs in the following major steps. There are various steps which are involved in the Calvin cycle. Path of carbon fixation in the dark reaction through intermediate compounds were discovered by Calvin, Benson and their co-workers. Calvin was awarded a Nobel Prize in the year 1961. The path of carbon was studied with the help of radioactive tracer technique. Sometimes a question may be asked. Which technique was used for the discovery of Calvin cycle? Radioactive tracer technique using heavy isotope of carbon, that is C14, and by using the alga chlorella. This cyclic path is called as Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle involves the various steps, and these are as below. First, it is divided into three parts. First part, it is the carboxylation. Carboxylation means addition of CO2. Carboxylation is the addition of CO2. CO2 reduction starts, CO2 fixation starts with a 5-carbon sugar, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. This ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, this is called as RUBP. It is abbreviated as RUBP. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, this is a 5-carbon sugar. RUBP is a 5-carbon sugar with 2 phosphate groups. There are 2 phosphate groups. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. One phosphate is attached to first position, second to fifth position. This means 2. So there are 2 phosphate groups attached to it. RUBP reacts with CO2 to produce a short-lived 6-carbon intermediate compound in the presence of enzyme RUBP carboxylase. We shall see this. Here, this is RUBP. This is a 5-carbon sugar. Here, this accepts this CO2. CO2 is added in this RUBP. This is a 5-carbon compound. 1 carbon from this CO2 is added, and there is formation of a 6-carbon compound. This compound is unstable. This is immediately converted into 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid, 3-PGA or 3-phosphoglyceric acid. This is the initial or the first reaction. 3-phosphoglyceric acid, it is a 3-carbon compound. 6-carbon intermediate compound is formed. It splits up, it's breakdown into 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid, 3-PGA, and as 3-PGA, it is a 3-carbon compound. It is the first stable product of this path, and that's why this is also called as C3 pathway. Calvin cycle or C3 pathway, because the initial stable product of this cycle is a phosphoglyceric acid. It is a 3-carbon compound, and that's why this pathway is called as C3 pathway. Then afterwards, or here you can see that this reaction is catalyzed by RUBP plus CO2. It is converted into unstable compound which breaks down into 3-PGA. This reaction occurs, this carboxylation reaction occurs in presence of enzyme Rubisco. This is called as Rubisco. Rubisco means RUBP carboxylase. You remember the name of this enzyme. This is a very, very important enzyme in the Calvin cycle. RUBP reacts with the CO2 to produce short-lived 6-carbon intermediate compound in presence of an enzyme RUBP carboxylase, or this is abbreviated as Rubisco. This 6-carbon unstable compound immediately splits, just like I told you. It's breakdown into 3-carbon compound. This is called as 3-PGA. This is the 3-PGA. This is a 3-carbon compound. Rubisco is a large protein. We know that all the enzymes are proteins. Last time we have seen. This Rubisco is an enzyme. This enzyme is a large protein molecule, and it comprises 16% of the chloroplast proteins. out of all the proteins present inside the chloroplast, out of this 16% is Rubisco or ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase. The first stable product of CO2 fixation, this one, the first stable product of CO2 fixation is 3-PGA, which is a 3-carbon compound, and hence this cycle is called as C3 cycle or C3 pathway. You see once again. Calvin cycle occurs in 3 major steps. First step is carboxylation. Here CO2 reduction, in this case RuBPU, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, this is a 5-carbon sugar. This accepts CO2 in presence of enzyme Rubisco, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase. There is formation of intermediate unstable 6-carbon compound which splits up into 2 molecules of 3-PGA. This is a 3-carbon compound. This is the initial stable product of this path, and that's why this path is called as C3 pathway. Here you can say Rubisco is a large protein molecule which comprises about 60% of the proteins in the chloroplast. The first stable product is 3-carbon compound, and that's why this path is called as C3 pathway. Then we shall proceed further. Another step or the next step of this Calvin cycle, this is glycolytic reversal, or this is called as reduction, glycolytic reversal or reduction. Molecules of 3-PGA form 1,3-di-PGA. Here you can see this is 3-PGA. This 3-PGA is converted into 1,3-di-PGA. This is 3-PGA contains 1 phosphate at the 3rd position. 1,3-di-PGA contains 2 phosphates, 1 at 1st position, 2nd at 3rd position. It means that addition of phosphate is essential. 3-PGA चं कन्वर्शन 1,3-di-PGA, या ठिकाणी एक फॉस्फेट जास्त आहे, तो फॉस्फेट ऍड केला पाहिजे. तर तो फॉस्फेट कोण सप्लाय करतं, तर अडिनोसिन ट्रायफॉस्फेट. दिस अडिनोसिन ट्रायफॉस्फेट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू अडिनोसिन डायफॉस्फेट, आणि याच्यामध्ये एक फॉस्फेट ऍड केला जातो. ATP कडून एक फॉस्फेट या PGA ला दिला जातो, and PGA is converted into 1,3-di-PGA. Afterwards, this phosphoglyceric acid 1,3-di-PGA, this is converted into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. This is an acid, this is an aldehyde. There is a reduction. When acid is reduced, there is formation of an aldehyde. 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, it is converted into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde due to the or by the reduction. For this reduction, hydrogens are supplied by NADPH. These hydrogens, these are supplied by NADPH, and this is converted into NADP. Means hydrogens from this, these are added to the 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, and this 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, it is converted into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. There is formation of an aldehyde. Then afterwards, you see, for the Calvin cycle to run continuously, ही Calvin cycle continuously run होण्यासाठी there must be sufficient amount of RuBP. There must be RuBP, sufficient amount of RuBP. There should be a regular supply of ATP. There should be a regular supply of NADPH. मग हे कुठं लागतं? RuBP तर सुरुवातीलाच लागतो. 3-PGA चं रिडक्शन करण्यासाठी, सॉरी फॉस्फोरायलेशन करण्यासाठी, याच्यामध्ये फॉस्फेट ऍड करण्यासाठी या ठिकाणी ATP लागतो. 1,3-di-PGA चं रिडक्शन करण्यासाठी या ठिकाणी NADPH लागतो. तर हे ATP, NADPH एटसेट्रा, these are supplied by light reaction. लाईट रिॲक्शन मध्ये हे तयार होतात आणि त्याचा उपयोग या CO2 रिडक्शन मध्ये, डार्क रिॲक्शन मध्ये केला जातो. Here you can see that out of 12 molecules of 3-PGAL, then we shall see here. Here we have considered 6 molecules of RuBP, 6 molecules of CO2. There is formation of 6 molecules of 6-carbon compound here, 6 molecules of CO2, 6 molecules of RUBP. There is formation of 6 molecules of this unstable compound. Then afterwards, here this is a 6 carbon compound. There are 6 molecules, means there are 36 carbons. 6 carbon and 6 molecules, means 6 into 6, 36 carbon atoms are present. Then afterwards, this unstable compound is broken down into 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid is a 3 carbon compound, and that's why there is formation of 12 molecules of this PGA. 12 into 3, that is 36. Here there are 36, here there are 36. Afterwards, in this case, as there are 12 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid, there is requirement of 12 molecules of ATP. फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक ॲसिडचे 12 मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत. मग त्याच्या रिडक्शनसाठी ATPचे 12 मॉलिक्युल्स आवश्यक आहेत. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स 1,3-डायफॉस्फोग्लिसरिक ॲसिड, ग्लिसरेट 1,3-डायफॉस्फोग्लिसरिक ॲसिड, दिस इज फॉर्म. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी हे 12 मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत, या ठिकाणी 12 तयार होते, कारण याच्यामध्ये फक्त फॉस्फेट ॲड केलेला आहे. 1,3-डायफॉस्फोग्लिसरिक ॲसिड, इट इज कन्व्हर्टेड इंटू अल्डिहाइड. तर याच्या रिडक्शनसाठी 12 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ NADPH आर रिक्वायर्ड. 1,3-डायPGA याचं कन्व्हर्शन 3PGAL फॉस्फोग्लिसराल्डिहाइड मध्ये होण्यासाठी NADPचे 12 मॉलिक्युल्स आवश्यक आहेत. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू कॅन सी आउट ऑफ, आता खूपच इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, आउट ऑफ 12 मॉलिक्युल्स, या ठिकाणी 12 मॉलिक्युल्स तयार झाले. आउट ऑफ 12 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ 3-फॉस्फोग्लिसराल्डिहाइड, 2 मॉलिक्युल्स आर यूज्ड फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लुकोज. या 12 पैकी 2 मॉलिक्युल्स ग्लुकोज तयार करण्यासाठी वापरले जातात आणि 10 मॉलिक्युल्स RUBP जनरेट होण्यासाठी, तयार करण्यासाठी वापरले जातात. आता या ठिकाणी पहा, ॲज देर आर वी आर युजिंग 2 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ PGAL, 2 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ PGA. हा 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड आहे, म्हणजे टोटल कार्बन्स आहेत 6 कार्बन्स. हिअर दिस फॉस्फोग्लिसराल्डिहाइड, it is converted into dihydroxyacetone. This is the isomer of this one. या ठिकाणी 12 मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत, याच्यात आपण फक्त 2 घेणार आहोत. 2 मॉलिक्युल्स, हा 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड आहे, मीन्स देर आर टोटल 6 कार्बन ॲटम्स. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी 6 कार्बन ॲटम्स आपण वापरत आहोत. सो 3-फॉस्फोग्लिसराल्डिहाइड, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इट्स आइसोमर dihydroxyacetone. This dihydroxyacetone, 2 molecules of dihydroxyacetone, या ठिकाणी 6 कार्बन्स आहेत. 2 molecules of dihydroxyacetone are converted into 1 molecule of fructose 1,6-diphosphate. या ठिकाणी 6 कार्बन्स आहेत, तर डायहायड्रॉक्झॅसिटोन फॉस्फेटचे 2 मॉलिक्युल्स कंडेन्स होऊन त्यापासून फ्रुक्टोज 1,6-डायफॉस्फेटचा 1 मॉलिक्यूल तयार होतो. या ठिकाणी 6 कार्बन आहेत. हा फ्रुक्टोज 1,6-डायफॉस्फेट हा 6 कार्बन कंपाऊंड आहे, म्हणजे 2चं कन्व्हर्शन एकामध्ये झालेलं आहे. फ्रुक्टोज 1,6-डायफॉस्फेट, दिस इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू फ्रुक्टोज 6-फॉस्फेट. फ्रुक्टोज 1,6-डायफॉस्फेट आणि फ्रुक्टोज 6-फॉस्फेटमध्ये काय फरक आहे? याच्यामध्ये 2 फॉस्फेट्स आहेत, याच्यामध्ये 1 फॉस्फेट आहे. हा जो 1 फॉस्फेट रिमूव्ह केला जातो, दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ATP. तर याचा वापर ADPचं कन्व्हर्शन ATP मध्ये करण्यासाठी याचा वापर केला जातो. देन फ्रुक्टोज 6-फॉस्फेट, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्लुकोज 6-फॉस्फेट. आता या ठिकाणी देयर इज लिटिल मिस्टेक. फ्रुक्टोज 6-फॉस्फेट, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इट्स आइसोमर ग्लुकोज 6-फॉस्फेट. आता या ठिकाणी ग्लुकोज 6-फॉस्फेट आहे, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्लुकोज. म्हणजे या दोन्हीमध्ये काय फरक आहे? या ठिकाणी फॉस्फेट आहे आणि या ठिकाणी फॉस्फेट नाही. आता या ठिकाणचा जो फॉस्फेट आहे तो ATP तयार करण्यासाठी वापरला जातो. ॲट दिस प्लेस ADP is converted into ATP. हे परत पहा, डायहायड्रॉक्सीएसिटोन फॉस्फेटचे दोन मॉलिक्युल्स एकत्र होऊन देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्रुक्टोज 1,6 डायफॉस्फेट हा 6 कार्बन कंपाउंड आहे, याचा एक मॉलिक्युल तयार होतो. फ्रुक्टोज 1,6 डायफॉस्फेटचं कन्व्हर्शन डिफॉस्फोरायलेशन, याला म्हणायचं डिफॉस्फोरायलेशन, फ्रुक्टोज 6 फॉस्फेट तयार होतो. या दोन्हीमध्ये काय फरक आहे? या ठिकाणी 2 फॉस्फेट्स आहेत, या ठिकाणी 1 फॉस्फेट आहे. 1 फॉस्फेट इज रिमूव्ड फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 1 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ATP. इथपर्यंत क्लिअर? आता पुढे पहा, fructose 6-phosphate it is converted into its isomer glucose 6-phosphate. तर या ठिकाणी आयसोमरायझेशन रिॲक्शन आहे, त्याचे आयसोमर्स आहे. आता या ठिकाणी फ्रुक्टोज 6-phosphate तयार झालं. फ्रुक्टोज 6-phosphateचं कन्व्हर्शन ग्लुकोज 6-phosphateचं कन्व्हर्शन ग्लुकोजमध्ये होतं, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी एक फॉस्फेट रिमूव्ह केला जातो. This phosphate is used for the formation of 1 molecule of ATP. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी जो ATP तयार होतो तो ऍक्च्युअली या ठिकाणी तयार होतो, कारण या ठिकाणी एक फॉस्फेट रिमूव्ह केला जातो. दिस इज ऍक्सेप्टेड बाय ADP, दिस इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द ATP. Then here 2 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde, 2 molecules म्हणजे 6 कार्बन, दिस इज 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड. तर त्याचा उपयोग एक ग्लुकोज मॉलिक्यूल तयार करण्यासाठी होतो. ग्लुकोज इज ए 6 कार्बन कंपाउंड. Here you can see the detailed reactions enlarged. Then a regeneration of RUBP. Regeneration of RUBP. You see, through a series of reactions, 10 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde, म्हणजे याचे 10 molecules दोन या ठिकाणी वापरले गेले, या ठिकाणी 12 आहे. 10 these 10 molecules are used upward for the regeneration of RUBP, for the regeneration of 6 molecules of RUBP. 10 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde, these are used for the formation of 6 molecules of RUBP. आता या ठिकाणी 6 molecules आहेत, हा 5 कार्बन कंपाउंड आहे, म्हणजे 6 म्हणजे 30 कार्बन झाले. आता या ठिकाणी पहा, 10 मॉलिक्युल्स हा 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड आहे. 10 into 3 दॅट इज 30, म्हणजे हे 30 कार्बन या ठिकाणी हे 30 कार्बन ट्रान्सफर झालेले. इन दिस केस यू कॅन सी, फॉर दिस पर्पज 6 turns of Calvin cycle are needed to be operated so that a molecule of glucose is formed. In this case you can see 12 NADPH and 18 ATP are required for the synthesis of 1 glucose molecule. आता हे कसं पहा, here you can see या ठिकाणी ATP ची किती मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत? 12 ATP molecules. These are required. त्यानंतर या ठिकाणी 6 molecules of ATP are used. 6 molecules of ATP या ठिकाणी आवश्यक आहे. या ठिकाणी 12 आणि या ठिकाणी 6, thus 18 molecules of ATP are required. म्हणजे एक ग्लुकोज मॉलिक्यूल तयार होण्यासाठी 18 ATP, म्हणजे 12 at this place, 6 at this place. Then 12 NADPH. तर या ठिकाणी for the reduction of 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid into 3-phosphoglyceric acid, 12 molecules of NADP are required. 12 molecules of NADPH are required. तर या ठिकाणी 12 molecules of NADPH and 18 molecules of ATP, these are required for the synthesis of 1 molecule of glucose. You can see here further what happens. From this 10 molecules of this phosphoglyceraldehyde, these are converted into a 5 carbon sugar, xylulose 5-phosphate. This xylulose 5-phosphate is converted into erythrose 4-phosphate. This is a 4 carbon sugar. From this erythrose 4-phosphate, there is formation of pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. This is a 7 carbon sugar. From this, there is formation of a 5 carbon sugar, ribose 5-phosphate, ribulose 9, ribose 5-phosphate. This is a 5 carbon sugar. This ribulose 5-phosphate, this is converted into रायबिलोज 1,5 डायफॉस्फेट. आता या ठिकाणी रायबिलोज 5 फॉस्फेट म्हणजे एकच फॉस्फेट आहे 5th कार्बनला. या ठिकाणी रायबिलोज 1,5 डायफॉस्फेट, रायबिलोज 1,5 डायफॉस्फेट, या ठिकाणी 2 फॉस्फेट्स आहेत. तर याच्यासाठी फॉस्फेट कुठून ऍड केला जातो? फॉस्फेट इज सप्लाइड बाय दिस एटीपी. तर हा एटीपी कडून सप्लाय केला जातो. म्हणूनच या ठिकाणी 6 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ एटीपी दिस आर रिक्वायर्ड. या ठिकाणी 6 मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत. RUMP, रायबिलोज मोनोफॉस्फेट, 6 molecules आहेत. For the phosphorylation, 6 molecules of ATP are required. There is formation of 6 molecules of ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. Then afterwards, this ribulose 1,5 diphosphate or bisphosphate or RUBP again accepts the CO2 in presence of enzyme Rubisco. Again there is formation of this unstable compound. In this way, this cycle operates. In this way, this Calvin cycle operates. The Calvin cycle generates ADP and NADP required for the light reaction. You can see here, this generates NADP. याच्यामध्ये काय काय तयार होतं, काय वापरलं जातं ते आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. तर याच्यामध्ये काय तयार होतं? NADP. त्याचप्रमाणे अडिनोसिन डायफॉस्फेट ADP तयार होतो. या ठिकाणी ADP तयार होतो, या ठिकाणी ADP तयार होतो. So here in this case, Calvin cycle generates or produces ADP as well as NADP required for the light reaction. आता हे डार्क रिएक्शन मध्ये तयार होतात. याचा वापर कुठे केला जातो? लाईट रिएक्शन मध्ये केला जातो. Here you can see light reaction in the granum. 24 molecules of H2 when they split, light reaction चा आपण परत पाहत आहोत. 24 molecules of H2, these are splitting into 24 OH minus 24 H, mean 24 protons are placed. Then these 24 OH minus 24 OH plus 24 electrons. 24 electrons plus 24 protons, this one and this one. There is formation of plus 12 molecules of NADP. There is formation of 12 molecules of NADPH. This occurs in the light reaction. 18 molecules of ADP या ठिकाणी तयार झालेले लाईट रिएक्शन मध्ये वापरले जातात. 18 molecules of ADP, 18 molecules of inorganic phosphate. There is formation of 18 molecules of ATP. In the light reaction, 24 OH plus 12 H2 plus 6 water. तर 24 OH पासून वॉटरचे 12 मॉलिक्युल्स तयार होतात आणि ऑक्सिजनचे 6 मॉलिक्युल्स तयार होतात. तर हे लाईट रिएक्शन मध्ये जनरेशन ऑफ NADPH काय काय होतं? जनरेशन ऑफ NADPH आणि जनरेशन ऑफ 18 ATP मॉलिक्युल्स. आता डार्क रिएक्शन मध्ये काय होतं पहा. इन द डार्क रिएक्शन 6 मॉलिक्युल्स, आपण आता जर ही सायकल पाहिली तुमच्या लक्षात येईल, 6 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ CO2, 18 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ ATP हे वापरले जातात. आपण आता पाहिले 12 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ NADPH वापरले जातात. देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 1 मॉलिक्युल ऑफ ग्लुकोज. Here there is formation of 1 molecule of glucose. या ठिकाणी 12 ATP plus 6 ATP, that is 18 ATP molecules are used. There is generation of 1 molecule of glucose, means 6 molecules of CO2, 18 molecules of ATP, 12 molecules of NADPH. There is formation of 1 molecule of glucose, 6 molecules of H2 are released, 18 molecules of ADP are released, 18 molecules of inorganic phosphate and 12 molecules of NADP are produced. These are again used in the light reaction. Then A plus B. Then what happens in the light and dark reaction together? You can see this equation. 6 CO2, 24 H2, light reaction plus dark reaction. 6 CO2 plus 24 H2 chlorophyll molecules and light. टोटल फोटोसिंथेसिस हे इक्वेशन दाखवलेलं आहे. लाईट आवश्यक आहे, क्लोरोफिलचा आवश्यक आहे, 6 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ CO2 या ठिकाणी आवश्यक आहेत, 24 मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ H2. देर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 1 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ग्लुकोज, carbohydrate or the glucose. There is formation of 1 molecule of glucose, 18 molecules of H2 and 6 molecules of oxygen are involved. In the total of photosynthesis, 6 molecules are CO2 are used, 24 molecules of H2 are utilized. But in the chlorophyll, in presence of light, there is formation of 1 molecule of glucose, 18 molecules of H2 and 6 molecules of oxygen. These are evolved. Thus, in the light reaction, in the dark reaction, we have seen the first part, that is Calvin cycle. This is called as path of carbon in photosynthesis. This is the first path of carbon in photosynthesis. धन्यवाद.